Hi, my name is Sebastian Sloven, co-founder of Nature Unplugged. Our mission at Nature Unplugged is cultivating consciousness in the digital age. And that means creating healthy relationships with technology and reconnecting with nature. So to be clear, we're not anti-technology. We don't live in a yurt on a mountaintop. We're here in the city, we love technology, and we're interested in how to find balance between that and connecting with nature. So, many benefits of technology. Of course, we couldn't do this video without tech. Access to information, connecting and communicating with friends and family across the world, it's incredible. And at the same time, there's a downside, right? People are becoming more sedentary, isolated than ever before, and that's negatively impacting us physically, mentally, emotionally. So how do we find balance? And that's our mission, basically. So we offer presentations, workshops, retreats, give people the tools and the skills to create balance between tech and nature.